gonna go to the town of Blue Ridge, which is about 30 minutes from where we're staying. We stopped at our favorite coffee place, Cabin Coffee, which is amazing. They have a white bean coffee, which is our favorite. There are a bunch of coffee places in Blairsville, but Cabin Coffee is definitely our favorite.
Yeah, it is. We got lost for a little bit, trying to find a different spot.
Yeah.
For Tori.
They have a cronut.
We gave up though. We gave up.
We'll try another day.
Xander's in timeout at home.
He's not. He's not. He's with Trent's parents.
Hanging out with my parents for the day. And then we'll come back a little bit later.
Yeah.
Put him down for a nap.
I don't know how long we're gonna be out. It's pretty rainy today. So if you're gonna do the town of Blue Ridge, you kind of want it to be a nice day because a lot of their stuff is outside. So we'll see how long we stay.
Very, very gloomy. We're gonna go to Merciers Apple Orchard though. Pick up some sweets, some apples, some cider for our trip.
Good things. We just stopped at Sisters Fudge, which is my favorite place to get fudge. I consider myself a fudge snob because I love it so much, and this is the best place I found in Blue Ridge. And I think we're gonna get some Mexican to go and then head home. Say good morning. Good morning. It is our Georgia trip day 3. Yesterday we did Blue Ridge, and because we did Blue Ridge yesterday, I'm pretty sure that all I ate for the rest of the day was fudge and pie. So hopefully today we'll get outside and take a walk or something, but it's very cold and rainy. Very cold and rainy. So I'm not sure what we'll do. Right now, Trent is getting us coffee at Cabin Coffee. Me and Xander are running around outside, and it looks like it's going to be a bit of a slow day, but that is what Georgia vacations are for.
This is day 4 in Blairsville. We're currently in Vogel State Park, a beautiful park. We're gonna have videos of the waterfall here in a little bit. We went down to see. So we're just enjoying our time here, walking around, getting a little cardio in, getting a little exercise. We've had a lot of sweets. Tori, of course, had the fudge, which I destroyed some of, so we needed to walk it off, enjoy.
So after Vogel, we went and got barbecue at Jim's Smoking Q. It is literally the best barbecue in Blairsville. Make sure that if you're ever here, you get it. Their days that they're open are weird though, so I don't remember exactly what it is. I'll put it right there. Definitely go get Jim's Smoking Q. It's so good. After that, Xander had a nap. He woke up, we went to the store again, and now we're gonna eat leftovers and watch the sunset.